Hello everyone and welcome back to another video with me, Alyssa J. Today we're doing something a little bit different and we are adding pigment to a bunch of clear slime. And by a bunch I mean over 1,000 ounces, over 100 pounds. There's around 1,800 ounces of clear slime here. So I have this bucket and then I have another one down there which we'll do next, and it's the exact same size and they're both about halfway full. I have 5 bottles of pigment, either this type or this type, and I bought these from Desserts, and that's I don't know if it's in other countries, but in Canada it's a craft store and it's this gorgeous gold pigment. And as you can see, this slime is not fully clear, and it's not fully clear because I used Staflo. And Staflo is liquid starch, so it does not make clear slime. And that's perfectly alright, that's just what I wanted to use for this slime. If it bothers you that it's not clear, sorry, you can click off the video and check out some of my other ones. If you want the recipe for this clear slime, make sure you check out my book, Ultimate Slime. Here's a picture. In there, it's a guide to anything and everything slime. Whatever you want to know about slime, you'll find it in there, including the recipe to this clear glue slime. So without further ado, let's just get started and start throwing some pigment in here. I think I will put 2.5 bottles in this one and then 2.5 bottles in the other one, because that makes sense, right? If I have 5 divided by 2. So I'm just going to start by pouring this one in. That is 1 bottle. Bottle number 2 is going in. So I'm going to start off by mixing these 2 in and then look at the color and see if it's pigmented enough. Now I'm gonna grab the other container and we're gonna do this all over again. It's time for batch number 2, so let's get into it. This one has some great bubble pops, or bubbles that I'm going to pop, and they're, oh my gosh, it's so cool. Let's get into it. Those were some crispy bubbles, and the bottom is so glossy, it's just amazing. I love this slime so much. Now it's time to add in our pigment. If you guys like this video, make sure you check out my 24-hour slime-a-thon that went up last week, I believe. Thank you all so much for watching. Keep creating, and I will see you all next time. Bye!